If you care about what goes in your body, you should probably care about what goes on your body too. Most people don't realize that the water coming out of their shower can contain chlorine, chloramines, and other contaminants that affect your skin and hair. This luxury shower filter from purewaterfreedom.com fixes that problem. It works with your existing shower head, so you don't have to replace your whole setup. Simply install the filter between your water line and your shower head, and it starts working right away. Inside, it's designed to help remove chlorine, chloramines, VOCs, and other impurities from your shower water. The result is cleaner water that can be gentler on your skin and hair and still keep strong water pressure. Installation only takes a few minutes, and once it's in place, you can enjoy your shower like normal. Pure Water Freedom also offers shower heads designed to pair perfectly with the filter if you want to upgrade your full setup. If you're trying to create a healthier home environment, this is a simple upgrade that can make a big difference. See firsthand the difference in your hair and skin by ordering this from purewaterfreedom.com.